Given the different career options of data science, create an advertisement for hiring a business intelligence analyst for your company. Welcome to all potential game changers out there. We are excited to invite you to join our dynamic team as a business intelligence analyst. In this crucial role, you'll analyze business data to identify trends and patterns that others might miss. You will create impactful reports, dashboards, and visualizations, and collaborate closely with stakeholders to understand their needs and deliver precise data-driven solutions. Your work will directly contribute to optimizing our data processes and keeping us at the forefront of industry trends. We are looking for someone with strong analytical skills, proficiency in tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau, and excellent communication capabilities. A bachelor's degree in business administration, statistics, or a related field is preferred. Apply now to be part of our dynamic team. Give few more areas where data science can be utilized for enhancing the quality of daily life. Answer. In addition to the areas mentioned, data science can be utilized in healthcare for personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual patients based on their genetic makeup and health history. It can also be applied in transportation to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion, leading to shorter travel times and lower fuel consumption. Moreover, in education, data science can help identify learning patterns and customize educational experiences to suit students' needs, improving overall learning outcomes. These applications demonstrate how data science can positively impact various aspects of daily life, making processes more efficient and personalized. One of the questions answered by data science is, how is data grouped? Give an elaborated example of this type of question. Answer. Let's consider an example to understand this better. Imagine a grocery store collecting data on the sales of fruits. They want to group this data to understand which fruits are the best sellers. Using data science, they can group the sales data by different categories such as type of fruit, apples, oranges, bananas, time periods, daily, weekly, monthly, or customer demographics, age, location. By analyzing these groups, they can identify trends, preferences, and patterns in fruit sales, helping them make informed decisions about stocking inventory and pricing strategies. Reinforcement learning is one of the three types of machine learning. It enables the use of artificial intelligence in complex applications from video games to robotics, self-driving cars and more. Discuss a recent innovation, say, flying taxis or drones that make use of reinforcement learning. Answer. Reinforcement learning is indeed a fascinating aspect of machine learning that has opened up possibilities for various innovations, including flying taxis or drones. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles that are increasingly being used for various purposes, from aerial photography and surveillance to delivery services and agriculture. In the context of drones, reinforcement learning allows them to learn and adapt their behavior based on feedback received from their environment. One practical application of this technology is in the delivery of goods. Another application of reinforcement learning in drones is in search and rescue missions. You can try writing a short note on how data science is helpful for sports teams. Answer. Data science plays a crucial role in helping sports teams improve their performance and achieve success. By collecting and analyzing data from various sources such as player statistics, game footage, and wearable sensors, teams can gain valuable insights into player performance, opponent strategies, and game trends. One way data science helps sports teams is by providing insights into player performance. Data science also helps teams optimize their game strategies. Furthermore, data science enables teams to prevent injuries and enhance player safety.